Hello students, and welcome to a brand new video from Professor's classes. Here I will be discussing about finding last two digit of an expression, a huge expression. For example, I give you 6 7 whole to the power 5 4 3 2 1 7, or simply just 29 whole to the power 6 3 1 2 4 1 6 2 1 9. How to find the last digit and the second last digit? Many of you may know the last digit, but the second last digit is a tricky one. So now let's start solving. Okay, please allow me to use a different color. Okay, this one will do. So there are different processes. First I will tell you about the last digit only. Every number follow a pattern of 4. Okay, pattern of 4. Now just think about any number. Have you thought it? That you have thought through 32. Now think about a power. Okay, so let it be 6767. Now what is the last digit of this? So the process is divide the whole power by 4. This is a power, divide by 4. So and find the remainder. Now in order to find the remainder, you don't need to find the don't need to divide the whole power. Just divide the last two digits by 4. What will happen? So 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 4 ones are 4, sorry 24, 4 16s are, so 3 is the remainder. So the remainder is 3. Now what is the last digit? 2. So 2, last digit, formula is last digit to the power remainder. Now this is applicable for all. So last digit is 2 to the power 3, so 8. So the last digit of this will be 8. Think about any other expression. 6 1 7 7 7 7 7 and whole to the power the same number. So here also, if you just divide the number last two digit by 4. Now just see what is happening. If you just divide the last two digits by 4, then the remainder is 77 by 4. The remainder will be 4 1976, so the remainder is 1. So here it will be 7 to the power 1 is this. Okay, so this is 7. Okay, so this is the basic rule. Just for another cross checking, 99794 whole to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. That's it. Maybe you can put a 0. So if you just put it, so just divide the last two digits and the remainder is 2, and this 4 square, so last digit is 16. That's it. Even many of the other cases of the teachers may tell you, in case of 5 this is the rule, in case of 7 this is the rule, in case of 0 last digit is not changing, even in cases of 6 it's not changing, but forget it, you don't need to do it. But still 1 5 6 and 0 are the 4 digits where the last digit is not changing with respect to the power. Okay, so that's all for the last digit finding. Now the tricky thing coming is the second last digit, is this digit. What is this? So for that we have two separate formulas. One is simply for even and for odd. For odd, for example, we have a number here 71 whole to the power 211477. So what we are going to do? So as it is 1, so the last digit is obviously 1, and the second last digit, what is happening with the second last digit? It is the product. It is simply the product of this and this. So product of powers, please note it down, powers last digit into bases 10th digit, 10th place digit. It doesn't matter, it can be this, it can be this, you always take this. So this is 91. That's it. That is for 1. You can take any other thing for like 791 whole to the power 791. So this is 1, and this 1 into 9, this one will be again this. Now there is a special trick. What happens for 3? Now in case of 3, just write 33 or 333 or 3333 whole to the power anything. Okay, let me start with only 3. It will be easier for you to get a grip, and 294 is the power. So in this case you need to find the closest power of 3 which gives you 1 as the last digit. So 3 to the power 4 is 81. So if we just write it 3 to the power 4, it will be easier for us to proceed. So let's just see. 294 is it divisible by 4? No, it is not. It is, the closest divisible number is 292. So just write it like this: 292 plus 2. Let it be 3. So this is 3 to the power 4. If I just divide 4 7s are 28, 4 3, and this will be 3 square intact. So 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 73. So this is 81 whole to the power 73 into 9. So now 81 follows our old formula 1, and this is 3 8s are 24. So we just concentrate on 41 into 9. Multiply it again. 9 1s are 9, 4 9s are 36. So the ultimate last 2 digit is 69 in this case. That's it. So 69 will be the last 2 digits. Let me solve another question with a different color, please. I get bored with the same color. This one will nice, and we can change the page color as well. Okay, now we're back in black. So let me go for 5. Now 5 is also interesting. 5 to the power 1 is 5. 5 square is 25. 5 cube is 125. 5 to the power 4 is 625. 5 to the power 5 is 625 into 5. So this will give you 3125. Now 5 to the power 6 is 15,625. Next is 78,125. Next is 396 to 5. 1953125. So what we can see, the last 2 digits of 5 is always 25. That's it. So 5 answer is done. It's 25. Now coming for 7. For 7 what we can see is, now what is the 7 closest power which ends at 1? Think it is 7 to the power 4. So that is 2401. So anything with respect to 7 is given. So like 7 to the power 983. So what you are going to do is, you 983 just divided by 4. So the closest one will be 245. 245 into 4. So 980. So 7 to the power 980 plus 3. So that is 7 cube. So this is 7 to the power 4 into 245 into 7 cube. That's it. So 7 7 9. So 2401 whole to the power 245, and 7 cube is, as we know, 343. So 0 1. So this follows the pattern 1, and the product of 5 and 0 is 0 into 343. So answer is 343. So the last 2 digit is 4 and 3. Very easy. Even if it is for 497, 792, it doesn't matter. We always follow the same pattern. All you need to do is to multiply it twice. Okay. Now for 9. For 9 it is, now 9 square is 81. So it's very easy. So with respect to anything ending up with 9, like 999 whole to the power 8401. So how to do this? 8410, is it divisible by 4? No, it is not. So 99, we are going to do it. 84. So this thing goes on. So 8408 into 99 square. So here 8408. So it will be 99. So we are just squaring it. So this will be half. So that is 4204 19 square. So 99 square is what? You need to calculate. That's 9801. You know this. So 9801 whole to the power 4204 into 9801. So now what is the last digit of this? This is 4 into 00 and 1. This is also 9801. So ultimately the last digit of the entire expression is 01. That's all. Now if it is end up with 0, you know the last two digit will be obviously 0. So for a 0 is like 110. So we just square it, last two digit is 0, cube 4, anything. So for 0 last two digit has to be 0 if the power is more than 2. That's it. Another thing is changes for even cases. So for 2, now 2 is a tricky thing. So now for example the first one is 2 to the power 4. What is that? Now this is very 16, so the last two digit is 16. They don't go and give you this question. So they give you something different. So for 2 there's a pattern followed. Let me just give the pattern. So what is the 2's power? 2, then 2 square 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 1, 2, 8, 256, 512, 1024, 2048. 2048 is a good game also. Okay, must have played 4096 and 8192. 16,384. This pattern is going on and on. And see, 2486, 2486, 2486 and 2486 is going on. So the pattern has a basic structure. Okay. So if it is possible to reach, now if we need to multiply this particular structure, okay, there is only one even two-digit number which always ends in itself, that is 76. Okay, like 76 into 76, 76 is speciality. 76, you take any power, it will end up with the 76. Okay, so this one is our first clue. You have to remember. So we have to reach to somehow to the closest part of 76. 76 raised to any power gives the last two digits 76. Therefore, our purpose is to get 76 as the last two digit for even number. That's it. So here, 24 square is what? You know, 24 square? Yes, you can guess it. 24 square has a 76 as its end, that is 576. Okay. Now, anything which ends in 24, that can gives you 76. Now check what ends with 24. This one. So 2 to the power 10 ends up as 1024. So 2 to the power 10, if we just proceed with like this, so 2 to the power 10 is any power. So 2 to the power 10, we just proceed with the 2. So that will give you 1024. And this 24 ends up with a 76. Now that is the tricky part. This really is a very important trick. Okay, how to incorporate that. So for example, 2 to the power 543 is there. So this is, first you have to go to 10. 2 to the power 10, easy. Into, you just multiply 54. So 550 and 2 cube. 2 to the power 10 is always ends up as like this, 24. So 2 to the power 10 ends up with 24. I am just doing the last digit. Whole to the power 54, 2 cube. Now if you just keep on multiplying this part, so this will give you a 76 as it is an even. And now if the power is odd, it will end up as 24. That's it. So 76 into 2 cube, that is 8. This will be 76 into 8 will give you 608. We don't need it, so the last two digit is 08. That's it. That's easy. If I take any other number which ends up with 2, so we will do it in the same manner. Now for 4. So for 4 also we can get to the 2 anyhow. For example, there is a number like 54 whole to the power 380. So here we can write is first 2 into 3 cube into 380. We use the even and odd both here. So this is 2 to the power 380 into 3 to the power 380 into 3 gives you 1140. So this is 2 to the power 10 like the old school way into 38 directly, no extra, and 3, this is 3 to the power 4 and 285. So here is also, it is a direct divisible, nothing extra is coming. So 2 to the power 10, so this has to end up in 66, this is 81, so 81 to the power 285, so 81 to the power 285, so this is 76, 81, so 5 8s are 40, 0 1, so just multiply, this will give you 76, so the last 2 digits for 4 here is this. Okay, now for 6, this is a specialty of 6, the last digit of 6 will always be 6. So for example, 56 to the power 283, this thing is given. So this is 2 cube into 7 to 283, so you just put it 2 to the power 840, 7 to the power 283. So now 2 has that thing, so 2 to the power 10 into 84 and 7 to the power, here it will be, okay, 840, and there is a 2, okay, so there is 849 actually, 849, okay, so 2 to the power 40, so then 2 to the power 9 and 7 will be 7 to the power 4 whole to the power 70 into 3, 83. Okay, so this one, this part 76, here 2 to the power 9 512, so end up with 12. This one is 0 1 whole to the power 70 and 7 cube ends up with 346, so 43. So if I just multiply all these stuff, so what we are getting here, 76, 12, 0 1 into 43, just keep on multiplying and the last 2 digits will be 16. Even in case of 8, for 8 if we just go like 78 to the power 379, how to do it? So this is 2 into 39, we can do it, 379, and here, so 2 to the power 379 into 39 to the power 379, so this is 2 to the power 10 into 37, so 370 and 2 to the power 9, and this is 39 square, 9 9 is 81, 189, so this, and we are left out with 1, so that is 39 itself. So this is 24, the odd, 2 to the power 9 512, so only 12, this is 81, and this one is 39. All you have to do is to multiply all these, and there's a trick also, 24 into 12, don't need to multiply all, just multiply the last 2 digits, 4 2s are 8, and this cross, 2 2s are 4, 8, so this is 88, 88 into 81, so 8 1s are 8, and this, 8 8s are 64, plus 8, 72, 28, into 39, so 8 9s are 72, and 9 2s are 18, 3 8s are 24, this is 42, and plus 7, 9, so this is 92. So within around 45 to 50 seconds you can pull this thing out. So I hope I've helped you, and this videos will be keep on uploading, and all you have to do is to press the bell icon and subscribe, and any queries, any questions, you can WhatsApp, you can send it to me, and you can join our classes, and the full videos are also available. Okay, any queries, you can always knock our doors. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.